Welcome to the Infinite Academy. Let us read vocabulary words, set 1 out of 5. Do you know, the words given in this video are connected to our short stories. Reading these words will help you to read our short stories more confidently. So here we go. Repeat the sounds and the words after me. Ch, at, chat. I chat with my friends. P, at, s, pats. He pats the dog. Fill, at, flat. Look at this big, massive flat. J, jump. He jumps so high. As, fast. Fast. He runs so fast. W, in. S, wins. He wins always. Un, d, under. The dog sleeps under the table. T, ire, d, tired. He looks so tired. Gl, add, glad. He's very glad today. Sil, e, sleeps. The teddy sleeps quietly. They are my friends. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.